I'm Nick Salmon, I'm 17 years old and I go to Ariel College. I've always been interested in cars and how things work, the more hands-on side of things.
Hands-on is right, Nick. Roading infrastructure is all about getting stuck in and getting things done. Civil engineer Mary is here to take you through the Mount Roskill Western Ring Road extension. What qualities make for a successful apprentice?
Attitude, really, it'll take you a long way. The rest can be learnt on the job, and if you have got, the attitude, the can-do attitude, everything else just falls in naturally. Hi, hello, I'm Mary.
Hi Mary, I'm Nick.
Hi Nick, nice to meet you. Why did you become interested in construction?
I've just always been interested in the heavy machinery and how things get built.
First things first, safety is very important here on site, so you need to be wearing these throughout your entire visit here.
Okay.
The first job of the day is with traffic control. Nick will be helping Billy and Marcel to narrow a stretch of road to allow concrete barriers to be moved.
Show you a few things you need to know on this truck. You'll be hooked up to the safety harness.
Nick's job is to pass the cones to Marcel to lay down.
We only go as fast as you can go.
Because most jobs are done on active roads, there is a high level of safety awareness within the industry, with strong procedures in place that isolate and minimise the risks.
Realistically, you can't remove the traffic, so you have to isolate them. So what the traffic control department does is that they come through and they set out a barrier, a safety barrier for the traffic to keep to one side and for our guys to work safely.
That's pretty awesome, eh? It's really full on, just heaps of work to do, it's good. The pace was a bit quicker than I thought it would be with the cones, but no, you just got to keep up with them. Worked it out.
With the traffic cones set, Nick can help move the temporary concrete barriers to a new part of the motorway.
Always have the hook facing that way like that.
Yeah.
An aerial balloon is contracted to take photos of the site's progress every month. Say cheese, Nick. Much of the industry has been modernised, including the science of surveying.
What we need to do is fix the total station position from a series of control points.
The laser theodolite takes readings from fixed points around the site to establish its own position before fixing new pre-programmed points.
So because there's an existing structure and we have to put this new structure in, they have to line up. So our surveyors, serve a very important purpose.
The Dominion Road Bridge is in the middle of construction, and Nick is able to see a concrete pour of the pier head.
These guys on the ends, they've got concrete vibrators, so their job is to ensure that we get compaction in the concrete, just get all the air bubbles out of the concrete so that we'll come up with a nice finish and strong, well-compacted concrete.
The State Highway extension is cutting through local services, so the job also involves rerouting utilities and other infrastructure.
Randolph is the name?
Yep.
What I have here is a 350 kilo plate compactor. Right. So for us to start, you've got your throttle here, which is your lever.
Yep.
And once that beeping sound is going, you know your machine is ready to start. You just gently ease onto the lever to increase the acceleration and kick your machine.
The client wants his road to be compacted to a certain level, and that's all to do with the longevity of the road. It's been designed to last so many years, and for it to last that many years, it needs to be compacted to that requirement. So that's why we take a lot of effort in compacting roads.
That's fun. It's pretty easy to control for such a big machine, eh? Just pushing it forward and back. It's not as hard as it looks.
It's the end of the experience. So how has Nick done?
He'd make a very good apprentice. He, instead of being overwhelmed by the task that was at hand, he sat back and processed it and just got in there and did it, and he did an excellent job as well. Okay, Nick, we've now come to the end of our tour of our project, so what did you think?
Awesome. I mean, it's just opened my eyes to a whole new aspect of roadworks, all the how things get done. It's really shown me what it's all about.
Okay, and you could definitely see yourself working in this industry?
Yeah, definitely.
You most definitely do have that can-do attitude, and you ask all the right questions. So, no, well done.
Awesome.
Yeah, all the best for the future.
Cheers for that. It's been awesome. I found out a whole lot of new things. It's really opened my eyes to what goes on in building roads. Favourite thing, definitely the compactor. Just being able to use the machine myself, kind of first day on the job, is really awesome. Oh, definitely. Yeah, it's something that you can just learn a whole lot of new things. Something you can always get better at with technology, and as long as there are cars, there are going to be roads, so it's going to take me places.
Infratrain offers a wide range of nationally recognised qualifications where you can set your own study program and earn as you learn, avoiding a student loan. An unskilled labourer starts at $13 an hour, an experienced excavator operator $25, and wages rise up to $100,000 for a construction supervisor. A licence is required to operate construction equipment, so getting this as soon as possible will fast track your career.
Supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.